Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring some incredible backyard garden landscaping ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a tranquil retreat. A well-designed backyard garden provides a peaceful escape where you can connect with nature and environment. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video. Let's dive in. Assessing your backyard. Before diving into landscaping ideas, it's essential to assess your backyard's size, layout, and natural features. We will discuss how to elevate the sunlight exposure, soil conditions, and existing plants or structures. Learn how to work with the existing elements and optimize your backyard's potential. Creating outdoor living areas. Outdoor living areas allow you to enjoy your backyard to the fullest. We will explore different options such as spacious spaces, decks, pergolas, or gazebos. Discover how to create inviting seating areas, dining spaces, or lounging zones that blend seamlessly with your garden and provide a comfortable place to relax and entertain. Garden pathways and walkways. Garden pathways and walkways add a touch of enhancement to your backyard. We will discuss various materials like sleeping stones, gravel, or pavers. Learn how to design pathways that lead through your garden. Create visual interest and guide guests to different areas of your backyard retreat. Water feature and ponds. Incorporating water feature add a soothing element to your backyard garden. We will showcase different options such as fountains, cascades, or ponds. Discover how these features can create calming ambience, attract birds and wildlife, and provide a focal point for relaxation and meditation. Garden plantings and landscaping beds. The plants and landscaping beds are the heart of your backyard garden. We will explore different plant sections including flowers, shrub trees, and ornamental grasses. Learn how to create layered and textured beds that provide visual interest throughout the season and enhance the overall beauty of your outdoor retreat. Outdoor lighting. Outdoor lighting transforms your backyard into an enhancing space. Even after the sunset, we will discuss various lighting options such as string lights, pathway lighting, or accent lighting. Discover how to strategically place lights to highlight key features, create a warm and inviting atmosphere, and extend the visibility of your garden into the evening hours. That concludes our home backyard garden landscaping ideas for a tranquil outdoor retreat video. We hope these ideas have inspired you to create a serene and inviting backyard garden. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know which idea have you found most inspiring. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring and home decor content. Until next time, happy landscaping and enjoy creating a tranquil outdoor retreat in your backyard garden.